Are you looking for a natural and effective way to protect your crops from pests and diseases? Do you want to improve your soil health and crop productivity without using harmful chemicals? If yes, then you need Crop Vaccine, the innovative and revolutionary product that uses plant-derived vaccines to boost your crop immunity and resilience. Crop Vaccine is a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to enhance your crop health and quality. Crop Vaccine contains biolexins, natural antibiotics that suppress the pathogenicity of harmful microorganisms and stimulate the plant's own defense system. Entomopathogens, beneficial microbes that parasitize and mummify insect pests, reducing their damage and population. Antagonists, friendly microbes that compete with and inhibit the growth of pathogens, preventing infections and diseases. Effective microorganisms, beneficial bacteria and fungi that promote soil microbial diversity and balance, improving soil fertility and structure. Bioenzymes, natural catalysts that speed up the biochemical reactions in the plant, enhancing its growth and metabolism. Natural growth enhancers, organic compounds that stimulate the plant's hormonal and physiological processes, increasing its yield and quality. Macro and micronutrients, essential elements that provide balanced nutrition to the plant, correcting any deficiencies and disorders. Crop Vaccine helps your plant to produce its own natural defenses, such as phytoxins, that repel and control various crop pests and diseases, as well as rat infestation. Crop Vaccine provides long-lasting biological protection and solution for your crop life, promoting harmony with nature and a healthy and sustainable farming system. Crop Vaccine is also safe and effective for the prevention and treatment of animal diseases, as well as the biological control of mosquitoes and cockroaches in households. Crop Vaccine can help you cure animal skin diseases and allergies too. Don't wait any longer. Try Crop Vaccine today and see the difference for yourself. Crop Vaccine is the best choice for sustainable agriculture and environmental protection. Order now and get a special discount. Crop Vaccine, the natural and innovative way to protect your crops and animals.